All right, a little video on how to access the video session we're going to have this evening. You go to your Spanish class in Google Classroom. I'm doing the example from Spanish 1. Go over here to Topics and click on Lesson 1, Lección 1, and you see that you have the live session, and I've included a link. So you click on that link. If it opens the link in Chrome, you might experience some difficulties. So let's go back to the page we were on. And just to be sure, if you have access, because Chrome uses Flash and it just may not work. So I'm going to copy the link address and I'm going to open on purpose Explorer. It works better in Explorer. So if you have access to Explorer, then I'm going to Control V and paste the address that I copied here. Enter. And it's going to connect me, same place, it's just now I'm doing it through Explorer. Type in your name. So I'll type in Jeff Thompson. And then enter. And you don't have to have any of this, you don't have to have that downloaded or anything. You just click the link and it'll take you. Notice here I am as the monitor and here I am as a guest. So you'll be able to see yourself here on the left side. And if you want to chat with me, then this box right here is where you type. I may be messed up here because I haven't even started the session. But if the session is started, you will just start texting me right here. And you should be able to hear my voice. If you don't, then make a note, text me in here that you can't hear me. And on the screen, you're going to see, well, you won't see this. Your whole screen will be whatever I'm doing on my screen. So you'll see my screen and you'll hear my voice. And over here, I'll see questions that you type to me. So I hope this works great, and I will see everyone this evening.